Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Lightbox as a menu, as a drop-down menu. So let's say we have many items to be shown under work as a drop-down. So for example, work has a drop-down menu which has like 10 menu items. So the by default option is you can give it drop-down like a serial number, but if you want it to be in two columns. So what we'll do is we'll add a light box. Interactive thing up, then I will add just with this one. Now I just quickly make the changes. We want this to be transparent because we don't want any background like this. So I will just make it transparent. Now the light box, we don't want this. We don't want this, and just make it white as well. So for example, if you want this, so what I will do is I will add another container here which will get in box. Okay, now I need to add a title. Just text boxes, I will add any of them, like let's say we will add text3. I'll make it small, just like the menu items that we have, that we always have, like this. Yeah, so for now I will just give it work software. Software, you don't need it, I'll just give it software for now. I'll just duplicate it. Please don't go on this design or the content or the medium formatting. It is just for the tutorial purpose. I will be doing it in two columns. I will just focus on alignment. Click on each and every. Okay, done. Now this one have sensor and vertically done. Okay. So now this will be our bottom view. I just change this color and the same color. Otherwise, I'll just make it zero opacity, so it will take the same color just as the light box. Now I just go to the menu and just give it a link. So I just need to make it. Now the work is like we have set it to home page. So what I will do is I will make some of the other page as a home page. So now I just link it with a simple link. What this will take Dropbox and make it the main page. I think I need to add this desktop. That's not required. Okay. So now we'll just preview it. We're going to click on that work. This is how it will be. We just need to fix the alignment. And we want to do a setting where we will also do some. We just need to remove this and just check the trigger option. You don't know if you want to only display it as a menu item. Again check. Let's see how it looks now. Perfect. So this is how you can do it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.